What's up, investors? Get this video to 100 likes and I will live stream the Tesla earnings and Google earnings. Big earnings happening today. Looking at this double bottom, $368, resistance at $412. If we do fail, we are going lower to $340. Predicted about a 10% movement for earnings. Take a look at this from $376 all the way down. That would be about $337. If we push back up to 412, that's a 10% move. Now looking at Google stock, we will live stream at 4 o'clock for you guys if you want. Overhead resistance up at 375. Rejection not once, not twice, but 3 times. If we move higher, we are looking at an 8% move here. Most likely back to 375 if earnings goes well. But, however, if it drops 6-7%, we're looking at $323. Get this video to 100 likes. Share with your friends, your family, your mama, and we will live stream.